Today we will show you how to set the NEO Bike Plus to the virtual gears of your choice. First, open the Tacx app on your smartphone or tablet. For this process, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on an Android smartphone or tablet. Select Continue with Garmin. Here, you will either sign into or create a Garmin account. For this video, we will select Sign In. Read and agree to the End User License Agreement and select Next. Enter your email and password to sign into your Garmin account. Select Settings from the Tacx app dashboard. Then select Device Manager. Now tap the Bluetooth icon underneath the NEO Bike Plus to connect it. Tap Set up NEO Bike Plus, Trainer Settings, and then Virtual Gears. Now select from double, triple, or custom front gears. For this video, we will select double. Next, we will change the cassette. Select the cassette tab. You can select and adjust any of the cassette size options. For this, we will adjust the cassette size to 11/28. Finally, select the back arrow once you are done with adjustments. Your NEO Bike Plus is now configured to your preferred gear setup, and you are ready to ride. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.